Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Okay, so today's episode, Lazy Man's Lobster Pasta. The beauty of this video is cheap, inexpensive. Not to say cheap. Cheap is quality. Inexpensive is price. And it's delicious. Who doesn't love lobster? This is quick. Don't blink. This is way cool. So, I priced this out. The ingredients were around $20. I'll show you the prices. Okay? If me and my wife went out for lobster pasta, we'd probably be paying $50. Here's the star of the show. This is something I found a few years ago. I didn't know about it. But it's langostino lobster, I think you pronounce it. Those small bits. It says it's lobster tail meat, so I don't know. Tastes like lobster. $11 for the bag. 8 ounces. Cheaper than a tail. Okay. We bought a container of lobster bisque and a pound of spaghetti. This will feed minimum 2 people. We're going to add that in. You do not have to add that in. But can you afford the $11? Grab this. It makes all the difference in the world, okay? That's it. 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Okay, guys, I got a pot of water right here for the spaghetti. So let's get that started. And then this will be to warm everything up. Okay, guys, the spaghetti is cooking. I'm gonna start warming up the other ingredients. I'm gonna get a little bit of a warm pan going. Not gonna go on high. Gonna start with a low heat. No, I think medium. Yeah, no. We're gonna go low. That's what our flame looks like right there. Gonna let the pan heat up, and then we're gonna add the lobster, then the bisque, and the pasta will be done by that time. I'm gonna grab my lobster, put that in there. I'm using it all, the whole bag, just for added. You don't have to use this. You can cut this ingredient out if it's too much on your budget. But if you can afford it, and then we're gonna do lobster bisque. And then I'm gonna gently rinse that. Give me 1 second. Switch that around. Throw that in there. So now we're gonna start moving our pasta. Take your time. Let it drip. I think it's hot enough. Now realize, guys, this is quick. Ain't gonna take a lot. So you're probably gonna want to turn that off right now. And serve it up. Put a little cheese on it. A little Italian seasoning. Have fun with it. Okay, guys, this looks beautiful. I should have probably splurged and got like a loaf of bread, Italian bread, made with garlic and butter. Make your own garlic bread. Don't buy the pre-frozen stuff. Make everything. Cut everything. Save money. Quit unnecessarily spending money. My mouth's watering. Hold on a minute. Oh, that's so hot. I'm gonna burn my guts out. Let's give it a try. That's restaurant quality. That really worked. I've never done it before. Needs a little more salt. And maybe some pepper. But I feel like I'm in a restaurant. I just saved a good 30, 40 bucks on a plate of lobster pasta. So there you go. Lazy man's lobster pasta.